Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture with examples. So if you are asked to quote examples for the difference, then you can give ample. You can give the example of salt solution and show that filtration is not possible, whereas you can give the example of water and mud to make suspension where filtration process is possible. How are salt, solution and suspension different from each other? Now what is salt? Salt is also known as colloids. So you can say and reiterate the properties of colloid, solution and suspension, and you can write the differences on the basis of the parameters of size, Tyndall effect, stability, and also whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous. So on the basis of these parameters, you can write down their properties, as we had already discussed the properties a few minutes back. Next, to make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 293 Kelvin. Find its concentration at its temperature. Now, when we were discussing the concentration, I told you about a formula whereby you can find the mass by mass percentage. So, if we need to calculate this, then the mass of the solute is given to be 36 gram, whereas mass of the solvent is given to be 100 gram. Therefore, mass by percentage will be equal to mass of the solute by mass of the solution into 100. So, mass of the solute is 36. Mass of the solution will be the solute plus solvent into 100, which is equal to 36 by 136 into 100, making 26.47%. So, the concentration of the saturated solution is 26.47%. Alright. So, I suppose this is clear to you. You have a clear understanding of the topic. We began with the different kind of matter on the basis of their consistence, either in the form of pure substance or mixtures. Pure substances are made up of single particles, mixtures made up of two or more different components where they do not have any chemical bond. Mixtures can be homogeneous where they are uniform distribution, and non-uniform distribution are termed as heterogeneous. In homogeneous, we saw and learnt about solution, whereas as examples of heterogeneous mixture, we learnt about the suspension and colloids, and in detail we learned about their properties. So, I hope you have understood the concept clearly. In the next lesson, in the next portion, we will carry on the separation methods. That means, how do we separate different kinds of mixtures and on the basis of different properties. Thank you.